My name is Kyle Chua. You can call me Kyle, and I'm the captain of the chess team. So my preparations are just simple. I play a lot of games, practicing chess in general, improving where I can improve.
My name is Kaden Singh. I'm part of table tennis varsity and I am their captain. Previous season was filled with multiple setbacks that impacted the entire varsity. We definitely need to improve on our in-game strategy. As while table tennis is a physical sport, where having an athletic body matters, the position and making the most out of what is happening in-game also matters.
My name is Brianna C., captain of the women's badminton varsity. We have devoted several periods of time to having our team building in order to foster camaraderie and support our workers.
Hi, my name is Peach Orbel Tandino, wearing jersey number 9, and I've made the setter and co-captain of the MGC volleyball team. Built on the school's foundation of Christian values and inspired by the love of playing our sport, our team strives to embody a more well-rounded, efficient, and Christ-centered system in order for us to be able to maximize our fullness potential.
Hi, I'm Carl Yuen. I'm the captain of the MGC basketball team. I'm number 8 and I play point guard position. We're definitely a better team this season. We've improved a lot under the guidance of our coaches and we played more games together, so we are a more complete team now. We're ready to play all for the glory of God.
Come and support us at the upcoming PCYA Season 11
To see gold, silver, and bronze back in MGC.
Let's go, New Life!
Let's go MGC!
Let's go MGC!
And good afternoon, everyone. I am Coach Chris King de la Cruz, to be joined later on by our friend Coach Joseph Guion, and we're still here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Stadium for our Saturday triple header of the Jumbo Plastic Linoleum Philippine Chingwin Athletic Association Games. And our game at hand for our last game will be the MGC New Life Christian Academy against St. Jude Catholic School, who will be battling for the second place, the coveted solo second, as we see here. Currently, ang St. Jude Catholic School with 4-2 slate ay nasa pangatlong pwesto sa ating standings, while ang MGC New Life Christian Academy 3-2. Nakausap ko si Coach James Sia kanina, overall coach ng MGC New Life, kapatid ng head coach na si John Sia. All they have to do is win their next 2 games, while St. Jude Catholic School, to be able to have that stronghold on that second place, needs to win this last game. And you see on your screen our 3 gentlemen who will officiate this game: Arnold Peñafuerte, Bigmante, and together now with Coach Joseph Guion. Coach, anong implications? Kanina nabanggit ko, MGC New Life Christian Academy kailangang manalo ng dalawa sa kanilang dalawang natitirang laro. Yun ang implication. Sa St. Jude naman, paki-explain sa ating mga viewers kung ano ang implication nitong larong ito. This is their last game. Can you please explain the scenario of the Green Knights?
No, because of the loss of the Uno High School, a lot of windows is open right now in the spot of 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kaya magkakagulo tayo. A win here by St. Jude, they have a chance to go, may chance sila to contest for that number 2 spot. Now, dito naman sa MGC, a win also for them. We're gonna have a chance to 3 and 2. So talaga sobrang laki, kumbaga big win for both team yung mangyayari dito sa dalawang squads na to. We all know that the league leading St. Stephen is currently sitting on the top of our standing At alam naman natin yung pinaglalabanan natin sa number 2. It's a twice to beat on the semifinals. So sobrang laki nun. Knowing that sa high school basketball, gaining a twice to beat advantage is very a good advantage going to the semifinals. Hindi mo pinapangarap kung ikaw St. Jude at saka MGC yung twice to beat advantage lang on the quarters. Yung your eye must be on that prize on that number 2 spot.
And aside from gaining that advantage, yung advantage also of resting, no? In preparation for the semis matchup, malaking bagay yun para dito sa mga bata na syempre no, nag-aaral din on the other end.
Tama, yung rest din, yung another factor for these kids because it's been a month na liga to, and then every other day in a week you have 2 games. So talagang very vital yung rest. And then speaking of rest, ito ata hindi nagpapahinga in doing his extra work, getting that confidence, hitting the first 3-point this ball game, first touch of the basket, a 3 for Ethan Cao. Sasagot sana doon si Maddox.
As we begin this jumbo plastic linoleum first quarter, Ethan Cao breaking the deadlock at 0-3-0 is the count now for St. Jude Catholic School. Christian Kobe de la Cruz being bothered by Adam Uy. Keith Ngu doing his usual thing on the mid-range there, upping the lead of St. Jude Green Knights to 5-0. Adam Uy now. Cross court. Balik sa kanyang bola. Riley Chua. Step back 3. No good, but referees are calling a foul. Ball will go back to the Green Knights. Kurt Sotinko.
It's the first foul by Sotinko right there. So, kita natin dito how St. Jude is prepared dealing with these big boys of MGC. They're putting up a body to box them out every time there's a shot.
As I talked earlier to the voice of St. Jude, isa din yan sa concern nila, Coach Joseph, no? Sabi ng mga ibang players, Coach, ang concern namin yung bigs ng MGC, sila Sotinko, si Lo, and we have to really put our gantuan effort in gang rebounding by committee, and push off these bigs away from their comfort zone. As second, Carl Reh breaking now the score. First field goal for MGC New Life, 3-pointer. 5-3 is our count. Ethan Cao from Masangkay Street, and that will be good for Ethan Cao. 6 points.
That's his second 3 in this quarter. This is only a first quarter. Now he has 6 points with a good start by Ethan. Naalala ko yung good start din itong batang to. It's against St. Stephen. Outscoring St. Stephen 12-11 in the first quarter. So I think that's Jubilee.
Yes.
I mean, he
outscored.
He outscored Jubilee in that quarter alone.
But Carl Reh, no, sumasagot, responding to the challenge. 2 3-pointer na ang naibubuslo rin. Nothing there. Third attempt from way beyond from Ethan Cao. Babalik ngayon ang possession sa MGC New Life Christian Academy. 7 minutes, 16 seconds remaining. 8-6 is our count. Still in favor of St. Jude Catholic School. Binabati natin yung mga friends natin dyan, lalo na si John Richmond Tieng. As we see here, Carl Reh slicing the defense, challenging the interior defenders of St. Jude Catholic School with that 2 points.
This graduating guard is on a mission here. Carl Yue.
Another 3-point attempt from St. Jude, nothing there. Carl Reh now. Back to Riley Chua. And
wow.
3 for Riley Hui from way beyond.
What a shot right there. Alam mo na talaga, you know, every time that the ball swing, naka-ready na yung perimeter shooters nila on the side. Kaya ang ganda ng pukol.
Seems that Riley Hui is up to the challenge against Ethan Cao in this game. 3 3-point shot na ngayon. Ethan Cao empty in that possession. Carl Wu, Christian Kobe de la Cruz, Ethan Cao, baseline reverse. Nothing there. Carl Wu now directing traffic, slices through the middle, kicks it out. Riley Chua. Carl Hui, another 3-point shot. 12 of the 14 points of MGC New Life coming from Riley Frederick Hui.
What a good start. Speaking of good start, we have Riley Wee. Kakasabi ko lang na Ethan Cao outscored Jubilee on their game. Ito, he outscored St. Jude here in the first quarter.
Pakaganda ng gising nitong bata na to, no? 12 out of 14 points of his team ay sa kanya Ethan Cao ngayon. And that's good for Ethan Cao, notching up his 8th point in this game, keeping St. Jude within close distance, 14-10 still. MGC New Life in the lead. Kurt Sotinko will be clobbered underneath. Kita natin dito, no, sa ating replay, Riley Hui, 4th 3-point shots in this quarter alone.
A good positioning right there by Sotinko. Ito yung game plan ng St. Jude is, kumbaga, parang nakakarga sila on the side of Sotinko. Pero yun na nga, every time the ball swing.
And Coach Luis Nelasco have seen enough. He will call a ceasefire. 17-10 is our count. Lamang MGC New Life Christian Academy. We will be back.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we're back here at the Don Domingo YouTube Memorial Gymnasium over here at Uno High School at the heart of Tondo, Manila. Sa mga supporters po ng MGC New Life Christian Academy at St. Jude Catholic School na malapit lamang po dito sa area, might join us today in this exciting game that is full of masasabi nating mga implications coming into our playoff round. Ethan Cao, Christian Kobe de la Cruz, Zach C ngayon, Tan, corner 3, and that's good.
It's a good coming of a timeout play by Coach Luis Nolasco. He knows that it's going to be a zone defense. It's a ball swing. But sagot dito si Adam Uy. A jumper of his own in the right corner.
Adam Uy knocking in his second 3-point shot. Ethan Cao forcing his way. Seems that Coach John Sia planning to bombard St. Jude Catholic School from way beyond, as being seen here in our first quarter of action. 3-point shots. Meron ng 6 out of 8 attempts itong MGC New Life Christian Academy, while St. Jude Catholic School 3 lamang na galing kay Ethan Cao. Ethan Cao missing that
Missed 2 free throw right there for Ethan. So
0 out of 2 for Ethan Cao. First free throws of St. Jude Catholic School in this game. Arlwe aabang si Riley Chua, being bothered now by Tan. Step back 3-pointer, no good. Sotinko Ethan Cao secures that letter. Christian Kobe de la Cruz. Balik sa kanyang bola. Handing off to Ethan Cao. Spins! But good defense there by MGC New Life. Standing their ground. And we have a substitution now. Adrian Tan papasok na. Jacoby Tan. Sean Lim. Together with Hans Gamboa para sa mga bataan ni Coach John Sia. Good defense there for St. Jude. Ethan Cao zigzagging. Going all the way.
Against 5 shirts right there. Yun yung gusto kong bigyan ng emphasis on that drive. Kumbaga, he put heads down, go straight to the basket, and it's 2 points para dito kay Ethan Cao. And a forced shot there by Maddox.
2-on-1 break there. Ethan Cao again. But he will troop the line for 2 free throws. Ethan Cao really showing us here in this league that he is more or less way above the competition and is ready to take his talents. As we see on the screen, Coach John Sia of MGC New Life Christian Academy conferring with our officials. Ethan Cao draining that free throw. Kita natin on our screens the St. Jude faithful trooping this venue today. Ethan Cao draining calmly the second free throw. 19-17. Trim the lead down to 2, and Christian Kobe de la Cruz will challenge inside. Kick out. No good. Ethan Cao again. Trim the 3-point line. No good. Jacoby Tan now.
What a good intensity on the defensive end para dun sa St. Jude. Sadly for them, Kobe didn't finish it on a block here for Ethan Cao. A rebound here for Kobe.
Jacoby Tan being smothered there beyond the 3-point line. That Sac C challenges the defense of MGC New Life. That's successful. Jacoby Tan now directing traffic. Tan, one way beyond, no good. But there will be a foul that will be called against Hans Gamboa underneath against Carl Ngu. Babalik na rin dito, ipapasok na si Jack Cheng. 2 minutes 18 seconds remaining. Dalawa pa rin po ang kalamangan ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. Jacoby Tan, upo ulit. Balik si Carl Reh and si Trey Shua in favor of Sean Lim para sa panig ng mga bataan ni Coach John Sia.
So it's going to be a full court press right now para dito sa MGC. It's going to be a full court man-to-man. Binibigay nila dito.
Christian Kobe de la Cruz handling that pressure, but Carl Ngu overcooks that from the baseline. Arlwe kicks it out to Trey Chua. Trey Chua, jumper from the middle. No good. Christian Kobe de la Cruz now. Lee. Christian Kobe de la Cruz being bothered by 2 white shirts. Good zone defense by MGC New Life. A little bit of confusion now. 5 seconds to shoot. Christian Kobe de la Cruz, does he know it? Blocked by Trey Chua, and mauubusan ng oras ang St. Jude Catholic School. Good defense there.
Ganun yung nangyayari pag wala si Ethan Cao sa loob ng court. They don't have that marksman here para dito sa St. Jude. That's why they keep on passing the ball, finding and waiting for the guy to shoot. Actually, they have a lot of chances na doon na pwedeng itira. Pero, well, another factor right there is the defense of these white shirts, giving a hard time para dito sa green shirts to shoot it.
Nagsasara kagad yung passing lanes no?
Oh, yes.
Pag nag-try mag-attract ng depensa, drive, asara kagad. Walang Ethan Cao na pwedeng mag-bail out sa kanila, but nandito pa naman sa loob, no? Si Christian Kobe de la Cruz. Baseline drive, but pwede nang ituloy yun.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
actually
he
he was so passive on his attacking. Every time he drives, nagko-collapse yung depensa na nabe-breakdown niya. Na pwede niya namin i-shoot, but he's keep on kicking the ball out.
Some pointers Coach Luis Nolasco can use in his adjustments later. Christian Kobe de la Cruz can be the main man at this possession na wala si Ethan Cao. As we see Coach John Sia on the background. 14 seconds to shoot now for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Adam Uy off balance shot. Nothing there. Again, St. Jude Catholic School running the offense now. Baba agad sa depensa ang mga nakaputi ng MGC New Life. Christian Kobe de la Cruz. Oh, again, being passive in that possession. Yan, binalik na si Ethan Cao. Kapalit ni Christian Kobe de la Cruz.
They have a drought in the offensive end. The worst thing is there, hindi talaga sila nakaka-attempt. Okay, dito naman sa MGC, nakaka-attempt sila. Mintis lang. Problema, mas malala sa St. Jude. Hindi naman attempt. Speaking of attempt, look at that guy. Riley Chua scoring inside the paint.
Ray Chua, first basket, first field goal. Challenge there, spin move. Being fouled by Sean Tan in the process. The hoop and the harm. 3 points, 3 rebounds now for Riley Chua. Akyat ang lamang sa 22 para sa 17 ng St. Jude Catholic School. MGC New Life Christian Academy. Zach C, running jumper, no good. Kicked out to Ethan Cao. Step up, 3-point shot, short. Adam Uy now, 3 versus 2. Duty foul there on the part of Kirby Lee.
You can say it's a good foul because that's only their 4th team foul, not yet in the penalty. A foul here, we're going to put our white shirts on the line with 6 seconds left.
Harley way beyond, no good. And that will be it for this first quarter. Lamang po ang MGC New Life Christian Academy laban sa St. Jude Catholic School, 22-17. We will be back. Let's see the first quarter highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. Carl Reh ably helping the cause here of St. Jude Catholic School. But this Riley Hui barrage of 3-pointers lifting MGC New Life Christian Academy with this lead 22-17. We will be back.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
We see here our friends here live watching this game. Mr. Kelvin Chong of Duralite, father of Kobe Chong, erstwhile main guy for St. Jude Catholic School. They're trailing by 5 here, 22-17 as we start the second quarter, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Adamu is slicing through the middle and get it done for MGC New Life Christian Academy. 24-17 na po. Lamang ang MGC New Life Christian Academy. Ethan Cao. Balik sa kanyang bola. Ko from way beyond. Nothing there. pabalik ang possession sa panig ng mga nakaputi ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. 9 minutes 24 seconds remaining in this second quarter.
That zone defense of MGC is making a difference here in this ball game. And a block now para dito kay Ethan against Hui.
Talagang markado na dahil mainit ang simula. Ethan Cao slices through. No good. Bola mananatili ngayon sa panig ng St. Jude Catholic School. 16 seconds to shoot in their shot clock. 9 minutes, 2 seconds remaining.
Sayang yung ganda ng galaw ni Ethan doon. He overcooked that shot.
Saxi now using that tan screen. Pull-up jumper, no good. So Tinko power rebound. And he will be fouled by Tan. Stan.
Before that rebound, give credit to Tinko. May boxing is man out. Diba? Malaki na katawan mo, marunong ka pa bumax out, talaga makukuha mo talaga yung rebound.
That's one of the headaches of Coach Luis Nolasco, being undermanned inside. And another 3-point shot by Adam Uy, way beyond. 10 puntos na po ang kalamangan na yon ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. Speaking of 3-point shots, nakaka-anim na po ang MGC New Life Christian Academy at napako na sa 3 ang naibubuslo ng St. Jude Catholic School, all from Ethan Cao.
Good thing to see the lineup of Coach John Sia is complete here in this ball game with Hans Gamboa returning and Maddox also back in the lineup. So talagang, alam mo yun, full force na sila dito. Baga, on the start of the season, that guy, those 2 guys, yung mga bruiser niya, tawag niya doon, so baga wala pa sa lineup nila. Pero ngayon, going to the playoffs, talagang going to this last 2 games of the elimination, it's a good boost for them na makukumpleto sila dito.
Riley Hui continues its rampage here in this game. 14 points now for the gunner from MGC New Life Christian Academy. Ethan Cao tried to answer, no good. Balik sa kanyang bola. Ethan Cao zigzags his way, but the defense collapsing on him. Jump ball here will be called. Let's see. Nasa ng possession arrow. St. Jude Catholic School. And kanina, no, Coach Joseph, kausap ko si Coach James Sia. Kung makikita natin dun sa coverage, tingnan muna natin, no, yung scramble na to for the loose ball, mapupuntang bola, St. Jude Catholic School. Kung makikita ng ating mga direktor, no, yung empty chair dun sa MGC New Life Christian Academy na may isang t-shirt.
Yeah, that's
dedicated dun
for
sa
Gab.
kanilang si Gab Gamboa, yung kanilang player na sumakabilang buhay at dedicating all their games for him. Now 3-point shot, overcooks it. Trey Chua getting a better position for that rebound and the foul there. That's the second personal of Chidan Tan. 7 minutes, 21 seconds remaining.
So you're gonna put more on defense dito yung St. Jude because they're trailing by 10. So talagang kailangan pa nila higpitan dito itong press nila. Speaking of higpitan, mahigpit na yung depensa, nakakashoot ka pa. Yun yung problema ng St. Jude ngayon.
Ethan Can forces that one out of frustration. Talagang buhat na buhat niya ngayon talagang shots really won't fall after those 3-point shots as we see here. Trey Chua from the elbow making that long bomb.
Trey Chua could play now on the 3 position because Hans Gamboa and Maddox is back on the lineup. So talagang alam mo yun, naging versatile lalo itong lineup ni Coach John Sia.
Matchup problems right now, hounding Coach Luis Nolasco as Ray Chua again. And that's number 9, Sean Lim, Maddox Lim. Christian Kobe de la Cruz slices through, throws up a prayer there, no good. Balik ang bola ngayon sa MGC New Life Christian Academy. Riley Hui, bantay sarado na ni Keith Wu. Balik kay Ray Chua ang bola, being hounded by Kobe de la Cruz. Riley Hui, corner 3, that's short. There will be a push coming from a player in white. Adrian Tan, his first personal foul. Second team foul for the New Lifers.
The New Lifers enjoying the largest lead right now with 13 points. Talagang still on the drought itong St. Jude here in the second quarter. It's almost 4 minutes now since probably parang hindi pa sila nakakascore dito sa second quarter na to. So, ganun katdiin yung depensa na binibigay sa kanila dito ng mga white shirts. Even Ethan is having a hard time to score.
Keith Ngu, pagtanggap dun sa elbow, 3 kagad yung sumasalubong. Ganun kadikit at kabigat yung depensang ibinibigay sa kanila ni Coach John Sia.
Parang match-up zone yung nangyayari. Every time there's a ball on top, umangat yung big guy, tumakat doon, tapat-tapat sa tao. When the ball is on the corner, bumababa sila sa 2-3. So ganun yung adjustment na ginagawa dito nila Coach James and John Sia para sa MGC.
And the St. Jude Catholic School has been reduced to a one-possession, one-shot team right now dahil sa ganung kagandang depensang ibinibigay sa kanila nitong kambal na coaches natin ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. Balik sa kanila ngayon ang bola, 5 minutes 32 seconds remaining. Hardware, 3-point shot from the corner. Riley Hui, medyo lumabig ngayon, second quarter. Ethan Cao making his move, spinning. That baby hook won't go. Kobe de la Cruz, familiar floater, not again. But they will keep possession with 14 seconds on the shot clock.
A good opportunity sana doon sa St. Jude to score with a floater of Kobe de la Cruz. But still no for them. But we have a timeout on the court with 32-19 for MGC.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we are back here at our beautiful venue, the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium over here at Uno High School at Tondo, Manila. Coach Luis Nolasco trying to find ways to get his boys to inch a little closer on this 32-19 lead by MGC New Life Christian Academy with 5 minutes, 8 seconds remaining in our first half. Coach Joseph, ano yung mga observations mo na pwede siguro nating ma-explain sa viewers bakit ganito kalaki ngayon yung lamang ng MGC New Life Christian Academy?
Well, MGC started the game waxing hot on the 3-point line and all their jumpers getting all in their rhythm. Dito naman sa St. Jude, talagang hirap na hirap sila dito sa zone yung binibigay dito ng MGC. It's because they only know who's gonna guard on that green shirts. They only need to guard Ethan on the help side. Kaya lahat sila nakaklog. So now Ethan should be the facilitator kung gusto nila makascore dito. Ethan also should adjust his game on whatever the defense is giving him. Actually now Ethan is on the bench, try to recover. Malamang babalik din yan. So it's a good the timeout by Coach Luis, so hitting those three. They're only down by 10 with 5 minutes left, for probably 5 minutes left here in the second quarter. So timeout din dito si Coach John Sia. So with 32-22 here in the second quarter.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
MGC New Life Christian Academy making sure to protect this lead, as we see here, faithful from Uno watch their game, and the faithful from St. Jude Catholic School supporting the Green Knights. Binabati natin mga kaibigan natin from St. Jude Catholic School batch 2000. Ngunit 10 ngayon ang hinahabol ng St. Jude Catholic School. 32-22, 4 minutes, 42 seconds remaining. Adam Moore from way beyond, malakas. But MGC New Life secures the second opportunity. Corner 3 of the board. So Tinko for the cleanup job. Yun yung space na kinukuha ni Kurt Sutinko sa loob. Talagang wala nang naka-box out sa kanya doon.
It's not about the space that he's giving, but the screen that he's giving his teammate, giving that an open 3 for Lucas. Pero yun na nga, nakukuha pa rin nila yung offensive rebound, and he scored right there.
Tan now. And
Wow.
that's good for Lance Tan, taking the scoring cudgels as Ethan Cow rides the bench with the 3 minutes 50 seconds remaining here in our first half. Yeah. And that jumper is good.
They need also their co-captain to go here in this ball game. Hindi pwedeng kumbaga hindi pwedeng Wei lang ng at saka Adam yung tumatrabaho dito. Kung gusto nila lumayo pa, kailangan nila yon.
Now, malakas from Abad Santos Avenue. Tumatakbo ngayon ng mga naputi. Carl Rue zigzagging in the middle. No good, bothered by the defense of Keith Ngu. Ngayon naman, St. Jude Catholic School. Balik kay Carl Ngu. Familiar floater from the middle. No good. Carl Ngu struggling today. 4 points only. He's been averaging 14.8 points. Malayo pa sa kota, Coach Joseph.
Oh yes, it's not about being malayo, but the activity of the defense around him talagang nagpapahirap sa kanya.
Kumbaga yung depensa, no, talaga yun yung mga blocks o kaya mga humps dun sa kalye para maabot mo yung destinasyon mo. At hirap na hirap itong St. Jude Catholic School. At this point in the game, kicks it out. Step back. Good defense by Tan. Oh! That's a foul coming from Nathan Ko. Sayang yun. Shot clock winding down. Napasabit pa.
So it's gonna be Carly Way on the line. I talked to this kid before the game. And he told me that since nursery, nasa MGC na siya. And he's playing basketball for almost 10 years under the guidance of Coach John and Coach James Sia. So talaga sabi ko sa kanya, so ano yung feeling na naglalaro sa kila Coach John and Coach James? Sabi niya, masaya. At the same time, pressure because he's a graduating senior here for the MGC. And he wanted to go out with a crown, sabi niya nga. And then he wanted to greet his mom and dad. I know he's watching right now on the live. Ma'am Bernadette and Sir Ken, pinapabati po kayo ng anak nyo ngayon. He's currently sub out. Sabi niya, yan yung mga avid follower natin sa PCYA TV na palaging nanonood.
Nakikita mo sa mga comment section doon sa ating PCYAA TV, mga magulang, mga supporters, avidly supporting their loved ones as we see here, an empty possession para naman sa panig ng mga bata ni Coach Luis Nolasco. Jacobitan using that Gamboa screen. Ko from the mid-range, malakas. Christian Kobe de la Cruz now. Balik kay Saxy, challenging Ko, but he will be fouled here.
I think that's gonna be the game plan of St. Jude if they wanted to get back in this ball game. Don't let MGC settle their defense or else you're gonna have a hard time. Sa lalaki nito, sa bibilis nito, yun yung kailangan mo. You need to attack. As you can see on that replay, you can go to the free throw line because hindi pa established yung depensa eh. While they're scrambling, you should get the ball, go straight to the basket, and go to the line.
Imbalance pa dun yung depensa. Talagang malamang-lamang yung chances na makabigwit ng foul. But Zaxi wasting those two opportunities. Coach Luis Nolasco egging his boys, and Coach John Cia now making sure to protect this 37-24 lead as he calls the timeout. Lamang pa rin sila, MGC New Life Christian Academy. Magbabalik po kami.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Andito pa rin po kami. Coach Joseph Guion, Coach Chris King de la Cruz, nagdadala sa inyo ng action. And we're here. Panood nyo sa screens ang mga supporters ng MGC New Life Christian Academy supporting their players, their loved ones. God is a warrior. Yung sinasabi natin. No? May angel ang mga taga-MGC New Life as we see Father Noel Daquel and Father King, the principal of St. Jude Catholic School. Nabalik tayo kay
One of our
Gab,
pastors, Pastor Edison, is wearing a green shirt right there. It's the dad of Gab Amboa, yung katabi niya doon, is wearing a Gab is a Warrior shirt.
Parang yung isang basketball movie na pinalabas noong 90s, is The Sixth Man.
Oh yeah, that's one of my favorite
yan yung
movie.
And the coaching staff is counting on Gab. And I think Gab has been guiding them through this first half with their long bumps coming in for MGC New Life Christian Academy. 39-24. Biggest lead now. Zach C from way beyond, and that's good for Zach C.
What a jumper right there by Zach C. And a pressure here for St. Jude. Now they're down by 12, 54 seconds left here in the third quarter, but finishing the quarter strong, going to the halftime, going to the third quarter is badly needed for Coach Luis Nolasco and his troops.
Malaking momentum booster yun, no? Yung papasok kayo sa quarter, maibaba man lang at least 10, 8. It's a big thing. So, let's see.
That's the power of believing. Going to the halftime, you're gonna tell your troops that we could do it. We could trap them. We could play defense on them. Di ba? Kaya natin agawan yung mga yan. Kaya natin bantayan one-on-one. Yun yung kailangan natin. Yun yung kailangan nilang makita at maintindihan para dito sa St. Jude.
Yung kumbaga salesman power ng ng isang coach, no, to have these players buy in to that kumbaga rallying point. As we see here, a foul. Lance Tan. Penalty situation for both teams. Sayang yung opportunity, no? Adrian Tao now. sinking in the first free throw. Last 45 seconds. 40-29 is the count. Again, Adrian Tan making sure those free throws are in. Zach C now. Christian Kobe de la Cruz slicing through the middle. Strong drive. Nothing there.
Another sorry miss right there for Kobe. Ang dami niya na ng ganun. But look at this. Maddox Lim goes straight to the basket and he's gonna earn his 2 points on the line and a chance for MGC to put up the league to 14 again to finish this quarter.
Christian Kobe de la Cruz 0 out of 5 in this first half. We must find this groove. Coach Luis Nolasco, Coach Kim Lo, Martin Go do a lot of motivating these players during the half as Maddox Lim sinks in those 2 free throws. 42-29 is our count. Last 18 seconds. What would St. Jude do? 13 seconds to shoot. Saxi sizing up Jacoby Tan. Gives it up to Kobe de la Cruz. Tan for the 3. And that's good from the corner. And that will do it for our first half. 10-point lead for MGC New Life Christian Academy against St. Jude Catholic School, 42-32. Kaya masayang-masaya ang mga taga-MGC New Life Christian Academy. Magbabalik po kami. Huwag po kayong aalis.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Power All's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we are at the half. 42-32 is our count. Lamang ng 10 ang MGC New Life Christian Academy. Coach Joseph, let's see the halftime highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. Early scoring barrage here coming from Riley Hui from way beyond na nagdikta ng ball game na ito para sa MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Serious, you can see the field goals right now. Sobrang taas dito yung 3-point shooting na both team natin, St. Jude and MGC. Hindi naman nagkakalayo dito sa field goals. Pero talagang the control of the game, doon mo makikita. It's not about the stats right now. It's because of the control of the game itong ng MGC. Kaya sila lamang dito. They have the control because of their zone defense that keep on kumbaga yun yung nagpapahirap para dito sa St. Jude to score. Kumbaga sabihin na natin, they're adjusted on what St. Jude is capable of. They are ready sila kung ano ibibigay sa kanila ng St. Jude. Itong MGC. Puwera sa ready sila sa on the offensive end ng St. Jude. They're ready also to shoot the basket.
And we see on screen the father of Gab Gamboa. Sinasabi po namin na isang player, dating player ng MGC New Life Christian Academy na sumakabilang buhay, still present, attending the games, and the commissioner row headed by our good commissioner, Coach Jonel Baculi, a multi-titled coach in his own right. And we are now underway in our third quarter, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. 42-32 will be the opening count. Ethan Cow now running jumper, but Kobe De La Cruz was on the weak side. Nothing there. So Tinko with the rebound. Riley Hui, matigas na ang bantay sa kanya ngayon. Trey Chua.
A good save right there by Sutinko, keeping the ball alive. Now they have the chance to shoot by 8 seconds left here. Speaking of shooting, look at Adam Uy scooping that shot all the way to the basket. Now they're up by 12 again to start here in the third quarter.
Adam Uy quietly, 12 points now in the game. Saksi. Ethan Cow being violated by Adam Uy. Saksi now. De La Cruz finding Ngu in the middle, and that's good. Keith Ngu is trying to step up as the defense is tight against Ethan Cow. Riley Hui nanlamig na starting the second quarter after drilling first 4 3-point shots, but Hui now sidestepping.
Whoa.
What a move by Carl Reh. Upping the lead now 46-34. MGC New Life Christian Academy.
They're putting up a 1-3-1 defense right here. 1-3-1 Pergo Cargado papunta dito kay Ethan. Ngu now can't decide where to pass. And that's a turnover again para dito sa St. Jude.
Sarado pa rin po ang mga pintuan papunta sa tarangkahan ng ring ng St. Jude Catholic School. Good defense.
As a scorer dito para kay Ethan, hindi ka makakatanggap ng bola every time the offensive end will give you a mental aspect or factor on your ball game. Wow, look at that drive by Riley Chua. Riley stepped up his game when Hans and Maddox is out of the game. Now, the good thing when two boys are back for Coach James Sia at ganun na yung laro niya, talagang added factor na siya dito sa game nila.
Again now, off to the races itong si Adam Uy, but mabilis ding nakababa ang transition defense ng St. Jude Catholic School, but Adam Uy will be fouled. Christian Kobe de la Cruz, you see here, Trey Chua slicing through that St. Jude Catholic School interior defense. Walang help defense doon, Coach.
Oh, yes. Talagang dire-diretso na lang si Riley doon.
Adam Uy from way beyond. Nothing there. Kobe de la Cruz skies high for that rebound. Up to Zach Z. But Ethan Cao couldn't handle it. Balik sa kanya yung bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Zach C now. Kobe de la Cruz trying to find Carl. No good. Ethan Cao, second serving. It's good.
Ethan Cao is doing everything as he can to get a score here in this ball game.
Ethan Cao, 14 points now in the game. And apart from him, ito lang namang si Lance Tan ang tumutulong sa kanya with 13 points. Kurt Sotinko providing quality minutes here, 4th point in the game. Unusual na mga surprise package ni Coach John Sia.
This Sotinko is only 14-year-old guy, probably a 15-year-old, pero 2 to 3 years more is gonna play here in the 18 and under division. So marami pang big man babanggain, marami pang rebound na kukunin, marami pang puntos na i-score itong batang to.
Speaking of Kurt Sotinko, no, yung baby pats niya na 14 years old, matransform sa muscle, maraming papahirapan to sa ilalim sa mga susunod na tournaments ng PCYAA. As we see now, Parle using that Sotinko screen, but Sotinko provided that illegal screen. Platoon substitution now for the part of Coach John Sia's boys. Balik ngayon, Jacoby Tan, Hans Gamboa, Adrian Tan, and Jack Cheng.
Kudos to Lance Tan selling that foul to the referee, and the referee blew a whistle. Kurt Sotinko is pleading his case that I just standed up. Talagang malaki lang talaga yung katawan ko.
Bumangga ka lang naman din talaga, no? But referee saw otherwise. But again, lapse on the part
another
of
bad break para dun sa St. Jude. Sorry, they got a point, but it's a 3 seconds violation. That 1-3-1 defense giving them a hard time. Nakikita ko yung 1-3-1 na yan. Ganyan yung 1-3-1 ni Coach Goldwin Monteverde yung ginagawa nila sa UP. Well, hindi naman tayo mag-aalalayo na. Ito matagal naging first assistant ni Coach Goldwin. Ito si Coach Jan. Kaya naman talagang may napapatin o may nakikita akong mga similarities on the defensive end dito para sa MGC.
Ethan Cao going all the way. Dito talagang Ethan Cao pa rin ang pinupuntahan ng St. Jude. At speaking of Coach John Sia, no? Kalaro pa namin yan, no? Si Coach Gold tsaka si Coach John. No? They're still coaching St. Jude Catholic School before. Tigas bantayan yung dalawa na yan. No?
So speaking of matigas, look at these two teams. Diving for the ball. Okay. The good intensity right there showing by the St. Jude. Knowing that you're down by 12, you need to go for that quick double press yung ginagawa nila for that scrambling defense. So, kumbaga, labo-labo basketball na yung ginagawa nila dito to keep the MGC, keep on, kumbaga, para mabilisan atake. Kasi hindi pwedeng nakaset up sila. Talagang nabi-breakdown sila dito.
Jack Cheng from way beyond, malakas. Kobe de la Cruz punta kay Ethan Cao, but Ethan Cao will lose the ball. 4 minutes 53 seconds to go. 12 puntos pa rin po ang kalamangan ng MGC New Life Christian Academy, 50-38. Kung ngayon lamang po kayo sumama sa amin, ako po si Coach Chris Quindalacruz kasama si Coach Joseph Guion, kahatid sa inyo ng aksyon ng 11th season of PCYAA. Adrian Tan in and out! Balik ngayon ng bola sa mga nakaberde ng St. Jude Catholic School. Saksi. Lance Tan, 13 points now in the game. 9 seconds to shoot. Another 3-point attempt by Lance Tan. No good. Ethan Cow contesting that second serving. Buttered by 3. White shirt, Saksi trying to find a friend. 6 seconds to shoot. Ethan Cow from Abad Santos Avenue, and that's good for Ethan Cow for 3-point shot.
Badly needed 3 right there para dito sa St. Jude. They're only down by 9 with 4 minutes left here. Yun ang sinasabi natin. Ito yung labo-labo basketball na gusto mangyari ng St. Jude. Pero nakasagot doon yung MGC. And another 3-point right there by Chen.
Jack Chen, I think, just being ruled by our refs with the long 2. Zaxi zigzagging. Floater. No good. But he will be tripping the line for 2 charity shots. Zaxi, let's see there, Ethan Cow from way beyond the Abad Santos, pero sinagot galing naman sa Masangkay Street ni Jack Cheng para sa MGC New Life Christian Academy. 50-41 our score. Zaxi played 15 minutes, averaging 5.8 points, 5.8 rebounds, and 2 assists per game. Nifty guard from St. Jude Catholic School sinks both free throws. 10 na lamang po ang kalamangan ng MGC New Life. Riley Chua goes all the way, but Ethan Cow was there. But Ethan Cow will be called for that technical foul. Let's see what happened here. Riley Chua blocked by Ethan Cow from behind, but let's see anong itatawag ng ating officials.
I think it's a technical for Ethan Cow because after that block, he shouted something, either papunta kay Riley or papunta sa referee. I don't know.
Heat of the moment here, Coach Joseph. Hindi mo mapigilan yung frustrated ka na di ba? It will be the second personal foul of Ethan Cow. Trey Chua now at the line for the technical free throws. Sinking in that first.
Pero kung ikaw si Coach Luis, gusto mo na yon, di ba? Ilabas mo na yung frustration mo after that good defensive end. Wala ka na magagawa dun eh. Sige na, kumbaga, that one technical won't let you go out of the game. But kumbaga, yun yung kanina ka pa frustrated eh.
Para
hindi
kumbaga
ka makatanggap ng
maibalik
bola.
lang yung focus mo eh.
Yes.
Ilabas mo na, tapos balik na tayo, regroup tayo. Upo ka muna, pahinga ka muna. We have still around 13 minutes remaining here in this ball game. 3 minutes 23 here in the third quarter. Then another 10 minutes in the payoff period. 14 points ang kalamangan. Saksi now. 3-point from the elbow. And that will be good for Zaxi. Responding to the call.
Now they have a 2-2-1 press right here. 2-2-1 zone. Ito yung binibigay dito ng St. Jude na screen on top. Yun ang kailangan makuha ni Ethan ng mga screens.
Carl Wet.
That separation ginawa ni Carl Uf coming from that screen, it's all he needed for that basket.
12 points now for the point guard of Coach John Sia. Floater by Saxi.
Wow.
The bank is open on this Saturday afternoon here in Tondo, Manila. Saxi drains that running jumper. 56-47 is our count. Baba sa siyamang kalamangan ng MGC New. Adam Uy from the corner. Short, but clean-up job there by Adrian Tan. No good. Christian Kobe de la Cruz now being bothered by Adam Tan.
Christian now bringing down the ball sa point guard duties. para dito sa kay Coach Luis Nolasco. We all know that Christian is not a point guard going up in this on this system, pero yun na nga, a call for him to go to a point guard position and a challenge was taken for him. Wow, what a drive right there by Ryle Chua. An up and under drive, and the crowd of the MGC is now standing up because of that.
MGC New Life Christian Academy crowd going bananas here with that circus shot. Matchup nightmare. Trey Chua with a reverse running jumper from Matthew Tan. No good. Trey Chua again. Jack Cheng from the elbow. No good. Kobe De La Cruz now. 3-on-2. Waited for his teammates. Zach C thought about the 3. Being bothered by Adrian Tan. Lost the ball. Adam Uy nangunguna all the way.
A good challenge right there by Kit Ngu. I don't care if Adam Uy goes straight to that basket, but I love the challenge. Yun yung minsan yung kailangan natin, di ba? I give credit also sa nalay-apan, di ba? Even though that Adam is 2 steps ahead of him, he's still there to try to challenge.
Doon pala yung effort humabol.
Yes, hindi mo na masusukat yan eh. If you're gonna go back to the tapes, if Coach Luis gonna review this, gonna give that credit to Kit, hinabol niya pa rin yun.
Hindi siya nagpabaya, kumbaga. And every time, no, that St. Jude Catholic School will be knocking at the door of MGC New Life Christian Academy. Every time, sasagot itong mga bataan ni Coach John Sia. Either a 3-point shot of good defensive move that will lead to turnover. Jack Cheng bothering Christian De La Cruz. 4 seconds to shoot. No good. 4 shot there. MGC New Life Christian Academy. Last 18 seconds. Low. That's Lucas Low. Kicks it out. 3-point shot is good!
Now they have the largest lead right now by 16 to end this third quarter. 1 seconds left. Kobe De La Cruz, Hail Mary shot. Wala!
And that will do it for MGC New Life Christian Academy, closing this third quarter strong. 63-47 lamang sila. And let's see Smart Sports quarter highlights that sidestep move. Ethan Cow still bearing the scoring load of St. Jude Catholic School with one of his 3-point shot. But this guy, Riley Chua, has been the difference for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Kaya sila ngayon lamang 63-47. Adam Uy also providing quality minutes with that left-handed layup on that fast break attack. Magbabalik po kami for the payoff period.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we are back here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium of Unuk High School here at the heart of Tondo, Manila, the battleground of the 11th season of the Philippine Chingyan Athletic Association. MGC New Life Christian Academy lamang 63-47 as we enter the payoff period. Coach Joseph, your thoughts as we see here Christian Kobe De La Cruz, Keith Ngu, Lance Tan. Let's see if they will be up to the challenge in bringing this ball game closer. We're underway, fourth quarter. Brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Ethan Cow being bothered by 3 white shirts. And he'll be fouled and will be sent to the free throw line.
A good adjustment right there by Coach Luis Nolasco. Instead of putting Ethan Cow on the wing area, he put Ethan Cow in the middle. Kumbaga, 1-3-1 attack. Kumbaga si Ethan yung nasa gitna doon. A ball swing on the side, a ball reaction. Kumbaga a defense will react, hit Ethan in the middle so that Ethan could only have 1 dribble near to the basket. Tingnan natin dito kung may pababa pa nila. This is a very long way to go para dito sa game natin with only 14-point game with 9 minutes left here. Sobrang haba pa pwede, ang dami pa pwede mangyari. Na tried still para foul again or Ethan, but again, I want to commend the effort, diba? Kapag minsan wala ka na magagawa doon, you tried, you block, minsan babagsak ka, mababagsakan mo talaga, pero paano mo nakuha yung foul because you tried to steal, diba?
Ethan Cow leaving everything on the floor right now for his alma mater, St. Jude Catholic School. Lucas Law, finding Gamboa. Law from way beyond that strong Zach C now. Trying to find ways for St. Jude. Going all the way with that left hand layup. That will be good for Zach C.
4 straight points to start here in the fourth quarter para dito sa St. Jude. And a foul by Maddox Slim. And a dive right there by Ethan Cow.
11 points now for Zach C. Quality minutes being provided.
Zach C giving them a breather on the third quarter nung naupo dito si Ethan, but a bad thing for them. They finished the third quarter with down by 16. So tingnan natin dito. Kit Ngu on the corner and a 3 with 7-0 to start here in the fourth quarter.
Keith Ngu with that 3-pointer from the elbow. 9 points now. The lead of MGC New Life Christian Academy. Spinning is Adam Uy. Empty possession there for MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Defense of St. Jude is making a difference now here in the fourth quarter. Kung kanina yung depensa ng MGC nag-iba, ito na naman in St. Jude, yung depensa nila dito on the perimeter guys. Now open 3 for Lance. And a rebound there by Kurt Sutinko securing the ball.
Lance Stan trying his hand on from the 3-point area. Yeah. Balik kay Trey Chua, stepping back. That will be short. But Kurt Sutinko.
A hand on the back. Yun yung tatinawagan ng referee. Sabihin natin manipis, pero yung kamay mo nasa likod, automatically you given the referee a chance to blow his whistle on that sequence.
Pwedeng title ng kanta yun, no? Hand in my pocket, yun naman, hand at the back for Kurt Sutinko. 8 minutes remaining in this game. Zach Z now trying to find a friend. Lee trying his hand from the 3-point line. No good. Zach C recovering floater. And it will be good for Zach C. Baba ang kalamangan, 63-56.
The run is still on here for St. Jude. A 9-0 run right now to start of the fourth quarter.
Trey Chua, nothing there. Riley Hui, second serving. It's good. Breaking that dry spell for MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Fireman's duty para dito kay Riley Hui. Sabihin na natin lanlamig pero siya pa rin yung nauna dito sa game natin. He's still here on the court. Wow, look at Keith Ngu right there with the elbow jumper.
Keith Ngu running hot here in the pay-up period. Again, St. Jude Catholic School off the horses. Ethan Cow, short stop, and that will be good for St. Jude Catholic School. Down to 5 ang kalamangan ng MGC New Life Christian Academy, 65-60. And Ethan Cow stole the ball, but Riley Chua Trey Chua was there to butter it, sending that rock away.
Kobe, Christian De La Cruz is back in this ball game, calling the play, and look at the block of Riley Chua to Ethan Cao. Now we're playing mind games right now. The referees are on top of this every situation. Ayaw nila na, kumbaga, yung players magde-dictate dito. It's still gonna be under control.
12 seconds to shoot now for St. Jude Catholic School. Balik na sa laro. Christian Kobe De La Cruz.
Yeah, I have a quite story about him. Ayaw niya talaga mag-basketball. He wanted a chess, but look at that guy! Kit Ngo! Now they're only down by 3 here in this payoff period.
Let's see now. Momentum shifting now to St. Jude Catholic School. 6 minutes, 15 seconds remaining. Carl Rie forcing that one inside. Balik tayo doon sa kinekwento mo. Eto, tingnan muna natin itong knockout play na to. Christian Kobe De La Cruz balik kay Keith Ngu.
Yeah, he's telling me that he doesn't want to play basketball, and he applied for a chess club. And nagulat na lang siya. Pagdating niya, nakapang basketball attire siya, and nasa basketball club na siya. Sabi niya, dinala daw siya ng dad doon, and then from there on, he tried to love the game, and he's playing basketball for 14 years already, since grade 1 siya. Kumbaga hanggang ngayon, in this final year, he tried to bring the back-to-back round to St. Jude or to Minjola.
And speaking of Christian Kobe De La Cruz, he got the rebound there. Ethan Cao taking it strong to the basket, but he will be fouled there. Ayun yung pagmamahal sa laro, no? Napapasa ng magulang talaga eh. Doon ako, may anak akong lalaki, no? Talagang ini-impluensya ko talaga to love the game that also we love.
I also asked him how about Coach Luis. And then itong dalawa to, actually ayaw nila pakwento sa akin. Natakot sila. Pero itong kwento nitong dalawa, they're young ones when Coach Luis was there on the Season 2, Season 3, that back-to-back champion. And then they're very thrilled also. Na-thrilled and takot sila na Coach Luis was gonna handling the team. But sabi nga nila, we're gonna take on the challenge handled by Coach Luis, a champion coach here in the PCYA. Now look at where they are right now. They're fighting for the chance to go to the number 2 or number 3 spot here in the PCYA.
One free throw still being awarded to Ethan Cao as we have a late violation against a player from MGC New Life Christian Academy. 3-point or 4-point lead now, down to 4 points ang hinahabol ng mga bataan ni Coach Luis Nolasco. Ethan Cao taking his time.
So it's gonna be a bonus free throw for him after missing 2. Now he missed 3 right there, but it's a breather para dito sa MGC that Ethan missed 3 free throw.
Adam Uy touching last the basketball, bringing the possession back.
The emotions are high here in this ball game. Look at the coaching staff of St. Jude. Coach Luis is asking the referee to call a technical because Ada, after the turnover, he shouted over the referee, just like Ethan yung ginawa kanina on the third quarter. Kit Ngu reverse to the lands. Ethan
Cao, 3-point shot, no good. Gamboa now secures the letter, but buttered by Keith Ngu.
It's a handshake foul right now. It will be called to St. Jude. Si Coach Luis, okay lang. Diba? Yun yung kakambal ng pressure defense. Diba? That foul. Kung minsan, hindi may iwasan yan. Lalo na pag madiin yung depensa, tatawagan talaga. Pero knowing that you're down by 16, you're only down by 4 with 5 minutes and 31. Sige lang.
High risk, high reward. Kumbaga,
yes.
Coach Joseph. Ito na nga, no? 4 na nga lang ang kalamangan ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. They've been outscored by St. Jude Catholic School, and good defense there. Scramble for the loose ball.
A strip right there by Ethan. But recover by MGC. Adam Uy now driving against Zach C. And look at that drive right there by Adam Uy. Now Ethan's turn to drive. He's gonna go to the free throw line, which he missed 3 straight free throw Tingnan natin dito yung replay. Itong
Adam
drive ni
Uy.
Adam.
Very difficult shot against the outstretched arms of Ki Lu.
Degree of difficulty, for me, it's a 9 right there for Adam Uy.
Hirap gayahin sa horse yun. Napakahirap gayahin. Pabagsakan na. Naipasok mo pa. Ethan Cao now drooping the line. MGC New Life Christian Academy now in the penalty. St. Jude Catholic School. 3 pa lamang ang team foul ngayon. Payoff period. 5 minutes remaining. Still a lot of basketball remaining here. Anything can happen.
Knowing na sila yung naghahabol dito at sila yung nagpe-press, sila pa yung may 3 team foul lang, hindi pa sila penalty. And that simply shows the discipline on the defensive end of these green shirts.
Adrian Tan being bothered by Ethan Cao. Hands it off to Adam Uy. 10 seconds to shoot. Adam Uy momentarily losing that ball. Kicks it out. 5 seconds to shoot. Harre steps back. And nothing there but second serving for Gamboa to Riley Hui.
That's Gamboa right there for you para sa MGC, keeping possession. Diba? Yun yung hinahanap nila Coach John and Coach James on the first part of our leg na hindi nila makuha, na which is ngayon nakukuha na nila because Maddox and Gamboa is back.
Short there. Adam Uy. Ethan Cao being met by 2 white shirts. No good. He gets the board. Second serving. Third serving will be good for Ethan Cao.
I don't want a 2 points basket, but I want a and 1 para dito kay Ethan Cao. And again, 10 for effort for this kid against 3 white shirts.
3 servings there. Ethan Cao not wasting any opportunity. He will have the chance to make it closer as we now have a 2-point game. Now we have a 1-point game.
Sinasabi nga natin, number 2 is on the line, di ba? Because of that loss of Uno High School, a lot of window is now open. Kumbaga, lalong mas magulo yung standing natin dahil sa pagkatalo na yon.
That is the motivation that more or less Coach Luis
Yes,
can be using here in this situation, in this game. Kumbaga, nagkatulungan eh. Di ba? Pace Academy, di ba?
St. Jude is standing 4-2, MGC is 3-2. So hindi mo na pwedeng dagdagan yung talo mo ngayon kung gusto pa umangat sa number 2. It's a foul right there, but still they're not in the penalty with 4 minutes and 5 seconds left here in the 4th quarter.
Zach C. Fouling. 17 seconds to shoot now for
Now both
MGC
team is in
Christian.
the penalty and both team has 3 timeouts left. So talagang mahababang crunch time to mangyari sa atin dito. Sir Chris.
As we see there, Calre sidestepping and Coach Luis Nolasco says, timeout. Isa ang hinahabol nila. Or dalawa, 67. Alright, 70 to 67. MGC New Life Christian Academy, 70 to 67. 4 minutes remaining. We have at the timeout.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we are back here at the Don Domingo Yu Chu Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School at the heart of Tondo, Manila. And as we see here on our screens, the PCYAA chairman of the board, Coach Sherwin Tiu, the man behind the marvels that the sports program of St. Jude Catholic School has reached over the years. We see here in the screen, MGC New Life supporters.
It's a sea of green right now here in the Uno gym because green and white itong MGC and it's a green and white also itong St. Jude, but nevertheless, kumbaga, whose green is better? Ito yung ngayon yung nila pinaglalabanan natin ngayon dito. These two teams met in the finals on the season 4 and then MGC won it. That's their first crown, led by Aaron C. and Carl. Kumbaga yung kabilang team naman is led by Maynard Yap. So, tingnan natin dito. It's gonna be a renewed rivalry right now sa ginagawa nitong dalawang team na to dito.
Ethan Cow turnaround jumper, no good. Keith Ngu fighting for the possession, but it was gotten by Kurt Sotinko. MGC New Life now.
Look at that.
Riley Hui nalamig. Sotinko, second serving. It was in a good position for the offensive rebound there. No choice ang mga bataan ni Coach Luis Nolasco but to foul the big man inside. Tingnan natin sa replay. Good position there. Kurt Sotinko using his height and half.
So it's gonna be fourth foul for Ethan Cow. Pero before that sequence, why Sotinko is solely underneath the basket because of Keith who suffered from cramps after that basket. Kaya naging 4 against 5. So saan ka pa ba pupunta? Papunta ka na agad diretso kay Kurt. And Kurt automatically get that advantage against 2 green shirts. But yun na sinasabi ng St. Jude, go get your 2 points on the line.
Paghirapan mo, kumbaga, sa NBA, Hakashak. Dito naman, Hakasotinko.
So the first one is off. Tingnan natin dito yung pangalawa.
Malakas pa rin for Kurt Sotinko. Obi de la Cruz now. Forward pass to Zach C. St. Jude Catholic School thinking about that 3. Chi Dan Tan being fielded in to challenge Sotinko.
Yeah, they need a
inside.
wide body right now because Keith Ngo is out because of cramps.
3 minutes, 18 seconds remaining. Ethan Cow. One-hander. No good. Sotinko protects the rock.
Yan, sinasabi natin adjustment na ginawa ngayon second half or nitong fourth quarter. Ethan Cow putting up, nilagay siya doon sa gitna on the free throw elbow. Good thing para doon sa MGC, nagbinti si Ethan doon. Pero a shooter's role na dapat doon. Balik tayo dito sa laro. Adam, a fake.
And nothing there. Kobe de la Cruz. Forward to Ethan Cow. Will go all the way, but it was short. No foul was called there. 4 against 5. Si Ethan Cow ngayon pa lang nakababa.
Traveling
violation. Turnover. Commend the defense by Chidan Tan. Standing his ground there.
So Riley Chua is back now here for MGC. Added wing guy or big man that could run. Now, balik din dito si Keith Ngu after suffering from that cramps. The heart of this kid. Diba? Kanina nag-cramps na siya. Pinilit niya pa rin tumakbo para dumipensa.
He will be the one who will be matching up against Riley Chua. Tan now. Buttered by Yue. 3-point shot by Saxi from Masangkay. Is in. Tied game.
This
70 all.
game is living to the billing.
16 down, and we have an 8-second backcourt violation against MGC New Life Christian Academy. Babalik ang bola ngayon. Makita natin itong 3-point shot mula sa Masangkay Street from Saxi.
If you just tune in their game, start of the fourth quarter, St. Jude is down by 16 and they have that run and they have that adjustment against this 1-3-1 that NGC is using. So when they are now, we're down, we're all tied up by 70.
Memonten shifted now to the side of St. Jude Catholic School. 5 seconds to shoot as we enter the twilight zone of this tightly contested ball game. Carl Renau directing traffic back to Adrian Tan. Adam Uy driving floater. The back is open for Adam Oy on this Saturday afternoon, lifting MGC New Life Christian Academy 2-point lead, 72-70. Let's see how the Green Knights will respond. Zach C, who has the hot hand. Ethan Cow from way beyond. Malayo again, Ethan Cow. Pull-up jumper, no good. Third serving now for St. Jude Catholic School.
Ethan again on the drive. Separation, a jumper. Another air ball right there. Now taking toll sa kanya the defense since first quarter. Yung mga binibigay sa akin. Look at that drive of Adam Oy using a top of the glass. As you can see, the bank is open on a Saturday afternoon, Chris.
MGC New Life Christian Academy calmly. Adam Oy trying his hand from way beyond. And
Maddox name
for the rebound. Harry. 7 seconds to shoot. Pull-up jumper. Strong. Christian Kobe de la Cruz now. Balik kay Ethan Can. Challenging Sotinko. Malakas. Chidan Tan fighting for the loose ball. Christian Kobe de la Cruz now. Ethan Cow. 12 seconds to shoot. 26 seconds remaining. Zach C. Let's see. No good. And Carre secures the rebound. Will they foul the Green Knights? They're not fouling. 11 seconds to shoot. And they foul now Adam Oy with 10.6 seconds remaining.
Look at Ethan Cow on the side of the court. Nakatukod. He's keeping his body up here in the very exhausted and a physical game right now. The battle for number 2 ang sinasabi natin.
3-point game now for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Adam Uy scoring his 19th point, going for his 20th, as Coach Luis Nolasco would want to draw up a final hoorah here, trying to salvage this game. 74-70. 10.6 seconds remaining, Coach Joseph.
Yeah,
ano ang pwedeng gawin ng St. Jude Catholic School at this point?
Well, you're gonna go for a quick 3 or quick 2. Yung pinasabi natin quick. We need quick basket. Okay? You don't need to dribble it up. You're gonna have to use probably 2 to 3 to 4 seconds so that you could foul. Babalik pa siya yung bola. You can see on their screen right now, we have one more left timeout para dito si St. Jude if they could make that basket. Quick foul, kahit mag-free throw pa dito or mabalik pa yung bola sa kanila. They still have that one possession na pwede po bumalik sa kanila. 10 seconds for 4-point lead. Napakalayo pa niyan. For us coaches, ganyan tumingin yan. Ganyan mo pwede tingnan yan because you still have that one timeout. And both teams penalty. Yun lang yung, we need to clear both teams penalty right now. 2 timeouts left here in the MGC. 1 timeout left here for the St. Jude Catholic School.
Hindi pa sarado ang pintuan para sa mga bataan ni Coach Luis Nolasco. What an effort to come from a 16-point grade.
They have that chance with 70 all, the 2 straight attempt of Ethan Cow all the way to the basket. Kasi minsan Ethan expecting a foul. Okay, minsan etong MGC, he is now guided to put your arms up. Let Ethan, kumbaga hayaan mo siya, baliin yun, tira. Okay, instead of kumbaga, if you're gonna be Ethan and you're watching this game, you should have go straight to the basket instead of going fishing for a foul because the referee right now, nakikita din naman nila yan kung gusto mo lang kumuha ng foul or you've been hit talaga, diba? Or binebenta mo lang talaga.
Let's see now. Last 10.6 seconds in this intensely high-octane matchup, which has lived to its billing. Ethan Cow being bothered by 2 shirts, wasting so much time, and 4 seconds remaining, and MGC New Life Christian Academy will be marching out of the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium, winning this tightly contested match. 76-70 over St. Jude Catholic School. Halves the work done for the Sia brothers. Sabi nga ni Coach James kanina, no, kailangan naming manalo today. Then let's look forward for Tuesday against PCC for their last game and take a look on that solo second place.
Yes, bakit natin napag-uusapan yung solo second place? Because of that loss of Uno kanina, they have 2 loss. But and look at the replay right now here of our game right now. All of the highlights, and look at that drive of Adam Uy giving that basket. Kumbaga lahat yun. Kumbaga si Adam, he breaks down the defense on the one-on-one. Talagang mahirap pigilan pag may ganyan ka type of player, and he is rewarded to be the best player of the game.
Adam Uy drilling that go-ahead jumper with under a minute remaining. 20 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist.
So balikan natin yung scenario. Because of that loss of Uno kanina, Uno got 2 lost. Okay? So MGC, dalawa din talo. Yeah, still have that 1 win, a must win on Tuesday against Cultural. If a win against Cultural, win over the other against Uno will put them on the number 2 spot, which guarantee them a twice to beat advantage coming to the semifinals.
Kasi Uno, di ba, pangalawang talo lamang ngayon.
Uno lost to Pace kanina on their first game.
Tsaka kung papasok talaga yung as we see here, game highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. Really started with the splendid offensive barrage courtesy of Riley Wee in the first quarter, which set the tone for the new lifers. And yun nga, balik tayo sa scenario, St. Jude Catholic School. Anong pwedeng mangyari sa kanila ngayon? Last game na, they'll be battling in the quarterfinals. They'll be ending up 4-2 or 4-3.
So 4-3 yung St. Jude dito. But they win against Jubilee. So they're gonna put up at a number 4 or 3 na lang yung titingnan natin. So a win by Uno on Tuesday will guarantee Uno a 3rd place.
Yes, dahil win over the other.
Win over the other. Nanalo yung Uno against St. Jude. Okay, so they have the same record with 4-3. With a 4-2. 4-2. Kahit manalo man yung Uno doon, pero tie nga lang sila. Tie lang sila ng MGC. So MGC is gonna win over the other against Uno. So ito na nga, yung St. Jude naman natin with 4-3. And Jubilee with 4-3, lamang dito yung St. Jude because win over the other. Yung quotient na nangyari dito. Kaya ito na po yung scenario natin on the second to the last day of elimination.
Kita natin, St. Stephen High School, the host for this year, will be battling against Uno High School in the first game on Tuesday, February 20 at Philippine Cultural College. Lalaban sa MGC Life Christian Academy on the nightcap on Tuesday. As we see here, the last game day for the 11th season, the elimination round of the 11th season of the Philippine Chingwen Athletic Association. For my partner here, Coach Joseph Guion, and our technical staff here, this is Coach Chris King de la Cruz. See you at the games. Maraming salamat po.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.